In this video, I will show you the interactions of magnets. In this experiment, you will need 2 magnets, 2 pieces of paper of different shades, pencil, adhesive tape, and scissors. Step 1. Push the end of one magnet to the end of the other. They will either pull together or push apart. Step 2. Cut out and tape shaded paper on the ends that pull together. Use one shade for one magnet and a different shade for the other. The ends of the magnet are called the poles. Step 3. Turn both magnets around and repeat step 2. Mark them with pieces of the same paper that you used in step 2 so that all ends have paper on them. Step 4. Try to push 2 of the same shaded poles together. You should be able to feel them pushing against one another, refusing to stick together. Last step. Tape the 2 magnets together with a pencil between them. Observe what happens when you remove the pencil. When I remove the pencil, the 2 magnets pulled together inversely, but they never pulled together on the same poles. The ends of magnets are called the North Pole and the South Pole. The poles are the strongest parts of a magnet. The same kind of poles repel each other, while the different kinds of poles attract each other.